Welcome to the Real Estate Peacock channel, where I teach you everything you need to know about wholesaling real estate. In today's episode, I show you exactly how to identify a full gut rehab. But first, guys, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos moving forward. Okay, so what is a full gut rehab? First, if you missed the video I made on estimating repair costs, check out the link right here. I definitely want you to check that out because I go in depth of how to actually estimate the repair costs. But in this video, we're going to talk about a full gut. Okay, so a full gut, when you walk into a full gut, when you see a full gut, you'll know right away it's a full gut, right? All five of the big five, the roof, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, foundation, all five of them need to be repaired or replaced. The biggest thing for you that you're going to have to identify is it a true full gut or is it a tear down? Sometimes, guys, you walk into a property and you just can't bring it back to life. No matter how much rehab you put into it, you just can't bring it back. You need to tear it down. It's a big safety hazard or whatever. Tear it down and build new construction. You need to be able to identify that, or again, a full gut. The biggest telltale to I guess, decipher which one it is the foundation, right? Can you save the foundation? Does it just need one or two piers? Or if you're walking the property, is there major slanting? Are the floors caving in? It's not safe at all, and it just needs to be, again, torn down. That's the biggest differentiator. Okay, so now that we know that, I want to take you down to the computer and show you a true full gut. All right, guys, so let me take you through this full gut property. Now remember, as we approach the property, that's when the analysis starts, right? So we have this property here. I have a few exterior photos. It doesn't look terrible on the exterior, but first thing we see right there is the window unit, right? That's always an indicator that the HVAC needs to be either repaired or replaced, or even installed. In this case, that's what the case was. There's no ductwork underneath. There's no anything. So we need full HVAC, everything installed. Picture from the back just looks junky. I mean, you know, this right now, I haven't went in the house yet. It doesn't scream full gut, right? I don't know yet. It looks like it could be average plus. We don't know yet until we walk in. I don't have any of the details from the owner yet as well. When we ask age of roof, age of HVAC, we already know that needs to be replaced, so don't really need to ask that. We need to feel the foundation as we're walking. There is a crawl space. I was not able to get under it, but I'll tell you in a little bit why the foundation is out of sorts. Plumbing, electrical, we can check all that out as we're walking. But exterior itself is not any major signs that it's a full gut. But let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and walk the inside. Let me see if I can get that. And we'll go ahead and get it started. So this was just walking in the front door. The first thing I did feel when I started to walk were there were some soft spots throughout the house. There wasn't anything major, as in the floor is caving in, as in spider cracking along the walls, any of that stuff. But this just needs a full overhaul, right? There's nothing that you can save in this house. Which is what you're looking for, obviously, right? You ask for the condition, you see what you can save, any of that. Here's the kitchen, extremely small. Again, nothing you can save here. It all has to go. And as we're walking I remember, this was a while back, but as walking towards this way, I started to smell a smell that can tell you that the plumbing's backed up. And the plumbing definitely was backed up in this house. I don't even think the lights or anything were working in some of these back rooms and the bathroom. So I didn't even go all the way in the bathroom. As the bathroom's right there in the corner, I didn't go in it because I smelled it. Smelled terrible. But here's one of the bedrooms right here. Again, there's nothing that can be salvaged. The roof was, I believe, 20 plus years old. And there's nothing that can be saved on this house. So I think I took a pee. Okay, so here's the bathroom right here. Yeah, I don't even know if I went in. I'm not sure. Yeah, I was just ready to get out, guys, at this point because it was just that bad. So a full gut itself is pretty self-explanatory, right? You walk in, you know, man, this is just bad, right? But your job, of course, like we said earlier. Is it a tear down? Is it a full gut? This was not a tear down because the foundation itself just needed a few peers, in my opinion. So this was a perfect example, guys, of a full gut. I hope you understand now the differences we went through, a cosmetic, an average, and a full gut. I hope you guys understand how to identify them, and I will see you in the next video.